Hello, I am Professor Ashish Dasab Shinde from NB Nawale Sinhagad College of Engineering, Solapur. Now today we are going to study the concept of virtual ground condition. Concept of virtual ground. It is under the closed and open loop configurations of operational amplifier. We can see this virtual ground concept in the closed loop configuration in inverting amplifier with feedback, that is the voltage shunt feedback amplifier. See here, we have to study the virtual ground. It is related to the inverting amplifier with feedback. Virtual, it is the imaginary. See in the diagram, IC741, symbol of the operational amplifier. Terminals, V2, it is the voltage at. Inverting input terminal V1, it is the voltage at. Non-inverting input terminal, it is the inverting amplifier with feedback, so voltage applied at inverting terminal, that is the pin number 2. V in, it is a input power supply, AC power supply. I in, it is the input current. R1, it is the input resistance. IV, it is a current, input current of the op amp. IF, it is a feedback current. RF, it is a feedback resistance. V0, it is output voltage. RL, it is a load resistance. Yes, it is shown in a circuit diagram, circuit arrangement. Yes, same thing here. V1, V2, V in, R1, RF, RL, I in, IB and IF. Now apply the KCL at node V2. At V2, see here, we have to apply the KCL. Now see here, according to the KCL, incoming current is equal to outgoing current. I in is equal to IB plus IF. Apply the KCL at V2. See the equation number 1. See the equation number 1. I in is equal to IF plus IB. But according to the characteristics of the op amp, practical characteristics of the op amp, input resistance, it is very high. So we say that the value of the IB is nearly is equal to 0. So we will get I in is equal to IF. See here, we say that IB nearly is equal to 0. Value of IB nearly is equal to 0 due to the high input resistance of the op amp. So this I in, it is equivalent to the IF. I in is equivalent to the IF. Here, I in equivalent to the IF. Voltage division formula we can write down: V in minus V2 upon R1, it is the value of the I in, and it is the value of IF. IF is equal to V2 minus V0 upon RF. According to the voltage division formula, we write down the value of the I in and IF. So here, from the above diagram, the amount of the current flowing The input terminal is IB, but due to the input resistance of op amp, the value of IB considered as 0. So the voltage at terminal V1 is same as V2. So we can say that V1 is equal to 0 volt and V1 is equal to V2 is equal to 0 volt. Here at the point V2, the amount of voltage is 0 is called as virtual ground. Put V1 and V2 in above equation, we will get AF is equal to 0 upon V in is equal to minus RF upon R1. So according to the virtual ground concept, AF is equal to minus RF upon R1. According to the virtual ground concept, AF is equal to minus RF upon R1. So what is the exact virtual ground? It is the imaginary ground. See in a diagram. According to the KCL, I in is equal to IB plus IF, but IB it is nearly is equal to 0. So we can say that voltage at V2 it is also the nearly is equal to 0. So V2 point is called as the virtual ground, and V1 it is also 0, it is connected to the ground, non-inverting terminal it is connected to the ground. So V2 is called as the virtual ground. It is a virtual ground concept. Thank you.